Congresswoman Katherine Clark has forged a distinguished career in public service, fueled by a passion for lifting up women and families. Born in New Haven, Connecticut, she studied at St. Lawrence University, Cornell University Law School, and the John F. Kennedy School of Government. She moved to Massachusetts in 1995 and became general counsel for the State Office of Child Care Services. She later became Chief of Policy and Government Relations in the Massachusetts Attorney General's Office. Her passion for making a difference ultimately led her to seek elective office. Beginning on the Melrose School Committee, Katherine Clark won election to the Massachusetts State House and then to the State Senate. In 2013, she was elected to the United States House of Representatives, where she represents a vibrant district that stretches from the coastal communities of Revere and Winthrop through the northern Boston suburbs to the thriving towns of Metro West. Her impact in the House was immediate and far-reaching. She rose through leadership ranks to become a senior member of the House Appropriations Committee, vice chair of the House Democratic Caucus, and assistant speaker of the House. She partnered with the late civil rights icon Congressman John Lewis to lead a historic sit-in on the House floor calling for a vote on common-sense gun safety reform. She led efforts to tackle the opioid crisis, passing legislation to help newborns suffering from opioid exposure, support vulnerable young people, and address the shortage of treatment professionals. Congresswoman Clark sponsored the first comprehensive bill in response to the Me Too movement, which would deliver justice for survivors and ensure accountability for perpetrators. She led the fight to save our child care system when the pandemic hit, securing $50 billion in federal relief funding to keep providers in business, kids in the classroom, and parents in the workforce. Throughout her career, she has been a champion for reproductive freedom. Since the overturning of Roe v. Wade, she has fought to enshrine abortion access into federal law and codify the right to freely use birth control. In the fall of 2022, Congresswoman Clark was elected by her colleagues to serve as Democratic Whip, the second most senior position in the House Democratic Caucus. She is one of only 2 women to have ever served as whip and has the distinction of being the highest-ranking woman in congressional leadership.